Hey guys, welcome to the 2024 Get Tone Challenge. This is a weighted program, but don't worry if you don't have any dumbbells, you can follow along without using any weights. The full schedule is on my website and also on my app that's releasing later this month. Smash that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below and let's get into the workout. We've got 12 exercises in this standing abs workout, 40 seconds of exercise and 10 seconds of rest in between. No equipment needed, stand upright and let's start with some high knees. Lift your arms up above your head, then bring your knee up to your hips level one at a time, and if you have a dumbbell, you can hold that instead.
Honestly, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care, that she's cool, funny too, pretty hair. It almost seems to me you're on jealousy, but please, there's no need, I don't care, couldn't care less, I swear. I'm in paradise, do my thing, not thinking twice. Guess it hurts for you to see that.
Quick 10 seconds rest now, we'll move on to twist crunch. Do a twist, then lift one leg up towards your chest, then do the same on the other side. Well done guys, wood choppers is next. Place your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, then turn to one side with your hands next to your hips, then raise your arms upwards to the other side. You can do this exercise with a dumbbell too.
Honestly, I don't
Ten seconds rest once again and we'll move on to the other side. Now do the same on the other side. Keep your core engaged.
But you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be right next to you. Even though I try to get you off my mind, you know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar.
Great job guys, next we have toe tap.
In my head, I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing.
Bring one foot up and tap, and then the other side. Engage your core guys.
Is this how it's supposed to be? Cause breaking up with you has got the best of me. I just wanna live inside my memories, so I'll be with you, with you. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, look into your eyes. I used to wake up with you by my side, and I would hold you close, close. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I just wanna be.
Catch your breath and rest once again. Knee tuck is next.
I try to get you off my mind. You know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car.
Bring one leg behind you with your arms up, then draw your knees towards your arms and repeat.
I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Ooh. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you
Nicely done, guys. We're halfway through the workout, not long to go. Let's get ready to work the other side.
my mind. You know that I'm thinking about you all the time. Like when we were driving in our car, looking at the stars, made us stop at every bar we found. I can see it's like a movie in my head. I only wish I didn't have to watch the end. I try to focus on a different part, like when you play guitar, always singing me that song from Friends. Song from Friends.
10 seconds rest again. We've got figure 8 coming up. Keep pushing through, guys. You got this.
My exes and me,
Lift your knee up one at a time while moving your arms in a figure 8 motion. Keep your core tight and go nice and slow. You can do this exercise with a dumbbell too.
in the beginning, then they shut it pretty quickly. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes and me, we don't talk anymore. If we did, I think it would get pretty ugly. I'm just a victim and not the evil villain, so I'm sorry, not sorry that everyone that crosses my way is gonna feel the same pain that I feel.
Rest and recover once again, and then we'll move on to single leg deadlift.
When you're with me, you're with me, you're with me, I'll show you right.
Push your hips back while lifting one leg up and bending forwards. Make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged. Great work, guys. Just 2 more exercises to go after this. Let's repeat on the other side.
Crosses my way, it's gonna feel the same pain that I felt. Not what it seems, it's dark and cruel and mean. When you're with me, you're with me, you're with me, I'ma show you right, yeah, I'ma show you bad. When you're with me, you're with me, you're with me. I'll never replay my exes, made me this way. It's not what it seems, it's dark and cruel and mean. When you're with me, you're with me, you're with me. I thought we were good, at times even great, but apparently I was just one big mistake. My exes.
10 seconds rest once again, and we'll move on to side knee pull. Final 2 exercises.
What it seems, it's dark and cruel and mean. When you're with me.
Twist to one side with your arms up, then pull it back down, meeting your opposite knee halfway. Keep your core tight, slow and controlled, and do it in good form.
I was born in the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life in its complex. I found love in its center. If I could live here forever, think it'd be for the better. I love the weather, even though it's fog 24/7. I love the people.
Final 10 seconds rest now, then we'll work the other side, and that will be the workout.
Thank every entrance to every building that I step in this city of mine. I owe you most my best moments in life. See, I fell in love for the first time in Golden Gate Park. I saw my first rap show at Great American Hall. I used to beg my homies for a ride across the bridge to goof off and spend the whole damn day doing whatever we want. Keith drove us down to Ike's place while we'd roll up a blunt, and me and Jack would get stoney, walk around and get lost. Don't think I'll ever truly pay back all I was lucky to get just by walking through the city. No, I'm a small part of this.
City of mine, how I love this city of mine. It never gets
And that's the workout. I hope you enjoyed this standing abs workout. Hit that like button and drop me a comment, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!
Really had a place to call my own, so I travel and I